There's nothing better than finding something that helps you slow down and reset during a busy day. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and I've been using the Ultra Calm drink mix from GMOOKEY, and it's honestly been such a helpful addition to my routine. This mixed drink includes ingredients like L-theanine, magnesium glycinate, vitamin D, and ashwagandha, which really help support stress, mood, and focus. I have a pretty busy lifestyle, which can really get overwhelming at times, but since I started using this, I've really noticed that my mind feels a lot more calmer and I'm able to stay more focused throughout the day. It's also super convenient since all I have to do is just mix it into water and the individual packets make it so easy to take it anywhere. The raspberry lemonade flavor is so refreshing and not overly sweet, which is great. The sweetness you taste is purely from the natural raspberry lemon flavoring, so no artificial sweeteners or added sugars in this mixed drink. But as always, that's just my point of view.